for you. I don't know what it is. It must be a surprise. It must be a surprise.
Doggy!
Is it a doggy?
It's a doggy! Yes, Mama!
You want to hold him? Oh, look. He's got sharp little toes right now, okay?
Okay.
You gotta be gentle. He's just a baby and he's itty bitty. That's why. Yeah, that was worth it.
It's a big baby.
Yeah. Listen, that's your baby. Oh.
I will hold it.
Yeah.
I will hold
You can hold him all you want. It's your baby.
I will hold it.
Okay.
It's a doggy.
Yeah.
You gotta give him a name.
You do have to give him a name. What do you want to name him?
A doggy.
Doggy. We'll call him Doggy for now. What about, you can call him Olaf,
Oh, Mom.
because he's white. You can call him Boomer. You can call him Fred.
Where?
You can call him Hercules.
Huggy. Doggy.
Doggy.
Yeah. You want me to hold him so he can get down? You want to take him outside? He's probably got to pee.
Yeah.
Yeah, come
No, I'll hold
Well,
it.
I'll hold him while you get down off the couch, okay?
Okay. I'll hold it.
Okay.
There.
There you go. There you go. Now be careful. He's got little claws. He might scratch you, but he don't mean to. Come here. Put that arm under his. There you go.
It's me, doggy.
Yeah, that was precious.
Me, doggy.
Yes, I see. She's being so gentle.
I really not doing no, Daddy.
Okay, baby.